Hi friends, today I'm unboxing a MCM Liz reversible tote bag. If that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. Okay guys, let's dive in. I picked this up from Nordstrom Rack. They are having an amazing sale right now. This bag that's normally, I want to say $7.50 is now on sale for $3.80. I could not say no. So let's get rid of the box. So I did pick this up at Nordstrom Rack, and I don't know why they package it like this. It should be stuffed, so it's not got a giant crease when I pull it out of here. But the quality of an MCM bag is bar none. It's really, really good. It originated in Germany, and I believe they still manufacture, I want to say in Italy, also in Seoul. Let's see what we can fit in this bag. So, gosh, it's beautiful. It is so pretty. All right, let's just get all of these little pieces off. I'm a huge fan of MCM. Have the most beautiful sort of craftsmanship. I feel like every single item has such a detail. I feel like everything on this bag is super well thought out. Everything makes sense. It's well designed, gorgeous, so gorgeous. And this color is the most beautiful red. It is not too bright. It is not too muted. It is the perfect red. When I think of a lipstick, this is the perfect red lipstick. And I'm in love with red, so I absolutely had to pick this bag up. I honestly wasn't planning on picking up any more tote bags, but with that sort of discount, I could not say no, and I didn't, so here it is. Also, when I used my Nordstrom card, they did give me an additional 5% off for using it, so this bag was $20 off the sale price. So I think it was $3.80. I ended up paying $3.60 because I used the card. So just some tips in case you're interested. Now this is the medium size, the medium Liz reversible tote bag, and it's absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning, you guys. I do think this is more an everyday sort of size. The large bag is just astronomically huge. It's great for travel, but not really great for an everyday. This I feel like is going to be a great work bag, a school bag, a mom bag. This is an everyday bag. And dimensions, before we go inside the bag, there is a pouch with this, which is amazing. So you're not just getting this gorgeous tote bag, but you're also getting a pouch. And I'm going to share that with you in just a second. Let's just talk about the strap is 8.5 inches. So really nice shoulder strap drop. So you're clearly not going to be uncomfortable. It's not going to cut you under the arm. It's not going to be uncomfortable when you wear those sweaters or that coat. So 8.5 inches is really good for this shoulder strap drop. 14 inches in the width of this bag. It is 8 inches in the height of this bag, and it is, I want to say 4 3/4 inches in the depth of the bag. It also has these really cute leather strips that kind of protect the bag, so it doesn't have what I love, the metal feet, but it does have these protective tabs, which is also really nice. Kind of helps keep the bag standing up as well, which is great. So looking inside the bag, it is stunning, you guys. Absolutely beautiful. So we have, just go ahead and take all the plastic off here. I am keeping this bag, so there's no reason to hold on to this. So I'm going to go ahead and take the price tag off. All right, so inside the bag is this extra large MCM. This is just a dust bag, which is really nice that it comes with it. What do you guys think about the yellow color? I've never gotten an MCM bag with the yellow before. It's always been white, but I'm not mad about it. It's actually really pretty. So this is great to have on seasons where you're using a different bag. You want to keep it nice and clean and all the dust off, and you're going to want to maintain your bag. So it's lovely they give you this dust bag. So here's some packets to keep it bug-free. And let's go ahead and take this packaging off. Just want to make sure you can get a good look in the bag. It is absolutely beautiful. It is such a nice size. Like I said, I'll show you in just a minute all the things that can fit in this beautiful bag. So pretty. Okay. Let's go ahead and here is the bag that goes in it. Love this pouch. It's a good size pouch as well. And this is super ideal. You know, you take this giant bag to work. It has all the things. You want to run into the store, but you don't want to haul the entire bag. You just pull this out of the bag, put your phone, your wallet, anything you need just to run into a store, maybe a lipstick if you need to freshen up in the restroom. And you have this ideal little bag that you just pull out and run into the store with. It's really, really pretty. Beautiful, beautiful. So the dimensions of the pouch are 11 inches in the width of the bag, 8 inches in the height, and then it's 1/8 of an inch deep. And it has a silver sort of chunky zipper. And then inside, you'll see you have lots of room here. So just take out the care card and that. And you have a really nice pouch. Really nice little shoulder strap, really easy to just run into the store with. It's ideal. I absolutely love that they put this in with it. It's like 2 bags for the price of 1. So beautiful, beautiful little pouch here. I'm excited to have it. So then you can reverse this bag, but let's be honest, I didn't buy this to reverse. I bought this for this gorgeous MCM monogram print, and it's absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a bag organizer in here and show you what I would carry on the daily and what fits inside. Let's go ahead and put an organizer in here. So I'm going to use the organizer I use for my Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the MM size. And as you can see, that fits in here beautifully. Really, really pretty. Nice, fills up that spot there. So now we're just going to start adding items. So I'm going to add my 14-inch laptop. 14-inch laptop fits in here, just like that. Okay. Next, I have a iPad case. Now, I normally would not carry both, but I'm just showing you so you can see what actually fits in here. Next, I've got my day planner, so I'm going to put that in there. Again, loads of room. I'm going to put my Louis Vuitton wallet in here because you need a good wallet. And then I have a little Coach catch-all that's got my makeup in here. I've got myself a powder, a little mini sponge, some Fenty Heat, and a MAC lipstick. And can't leave home without the Laneige. So all this fits in here beautifully, and that's gonna go with me. And it's nice to just have all the essentials for the day. And then that's gonna fit right in here in one of these little pouches. Fit my sunglass case here and a hand sanitizer. This is the best, the Touchland hand sanitizer. And that's gonna go just like that. So you can see just how much fits in this work bag. And like I said, it can be a work bag, a mom bag, a student bag, like you name it. So I also wanted to share that these are really ideal. They kind of help a little bit with safety. They don't really have any closure on here, but it is nice because you can actually kind of cinch the bag if you want to. So that's up to you, that's your call, but I usually leave them open. It's just easier to get in and out of everything, but it kind of just cinches the bag for you. It gives it a little bit more of a shape, and it keeps it from kind of falling open when you're out and about. But it really is such a beautiful bag. If you love it, I would get it during the sale. Nordstrom Rack has this bag. Like I said, it's about $380. If you use your Nordstrom card, it's $360. Normally these are between $650 and $750, so huge savings. And as I said, this red is absolutely stunning. So I'm thankful I got the red. I'm a huge red lover. This bag is so pretty. I feel like the quality is 100% there. Looks like the wrinkle's gonna come out at some point, so I'm choosing to not be upset about that. And I just feel like this is an absolutely stellar bag. I feel like it is luxury, but it's also affordable. So I'm happy I picked this up during the sale, and I'm going to be using the heck out of this all summer long. This is a year-round bag in my opinion. You could easily wear this in the spring, the summer, the winter, and the fall, and just, you know, change your outfits to match. But this is stunning, and I'm thankful I have it. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like it. Love it if you'd subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Till next time, bye guys.